In today's maths class, let us continue chapter number 3, subtraction. In today's session, we will learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. So, let us start.
Children, in this question, we have to find the difference, which means that we have to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So let us see among these two given numbers, which number is a bigger number and which one is a smaller number. So children, among these numbers, which one is a bigger number? Yes, 9,999 is a bigger number here, and 5,430 is a smaller number. Children, always remember that in subtraction, we write bigger number above the smaller number. That is why 9,999 is written above 5,430. Now, let us see how to subtract these numbers. Look at this question, children. First, we will subtract the numbers given in the ones place. In ones place, we have 9 and 0. So, we are going to subtract 0 from 9. Here, the property of 0 will apply, children. You remember the property of 0? That when we subtract 0 from any number, the difference, that means the answer, will be the number itself. So, 9 minus 0 is 9 only. So, we will write 9 in the ones column. Now, in the tens column, we have 9 and 3. So, children, 9 minus 3 is, yes, it is 6. So, we write 6 in the tens column, children. Now, in the hundreds column, we have 9 and 4. So, children, 9 minus 4 is 5. So, we write 5 in the hundreds column. Now, finally, we will subtract the numbers given in the thousands column. Here we have 9 and 5. So, children, 9 minus 5 is 4. So, we write 4 in the thousands column. So, children, we get 4,569 as answer. Let us see one more example of subtraction to understand it in a better way. Here in this question, we have to subtract 771 from 892. Children, in subtraction, we always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So, which number is a smaller number here? Yes, 771 is a smaller number here. So, we will subtract 771 from 892. Children, first let us arrange these numbers in their proper place value columns. Children, in subtraction, we write bigger number above the smaller number. So first we have to arrange the bigger number. So what is the bigger number here? Yes, it is 892. Now let us arrange this number first. Children, in 892, 2 is in the ones place. So we write 2 in the ones column. 9 is in the tens place. So we write 9 in the tens column. And 8 is in the hundreds place. So we write 8 in the hundreds column. In the same way, children, we will arrange the smaller number, that is 771. Here 1 is in the ones place. So we write 1 in the ones column. This 7 is in the tens place. So we write 7 in the tens column. And finally, this 7 is in the hundreds place. So we write 7 in the hundreds column. Now, as the numbers are arranged in their proper place value columns, let us subtract them. We will start from the ones column. So children, in ones column we have 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we write this 1 in the ones column. Now let us see tens column. In the tens column, children, we have 9 and 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So we write this 2 in the tens column. Now let's see hundreds column. In hundreds column we have 8 and 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So we will write this 1 in the hundreds column. So we get 121 as answer.